listening to VARINDIA News Hour. RBI's Fintech implications mandate for PPIs Interoperability. Prepaid instruments are designed to hold funds as a store of value funded by an individual or business for a specific purpose. PPIs are typically issued to consumers or businesses by platforms looking to facilitate digital transactions through swipes, that is POS machines, online, that is payment gateway, UPI payments, that is scan and pay, or for payments to other customers, that is wallets. RBI mandated interoperability for full KYC prepaid instruments and for all payment acceptance infrastructure by 31st March 2022. Interoperability refers to the ability of computer systems or software to exchange and make use of information. This would imply the exchange of information and the seamless transfer of funds between PPIs. The move towards mandatory interoperability is being seen as consumer-friendly, as it will allow customers of mobile wallets to transfer funds from one wallet to another. Further, as a confidence-boosting measure and to bring uniformity across PPI issuers, it is now proposed to allow cash withdrawals for full KYC PPIs of non-bank PPI issuers. In the past, the RBI's policies have inadvertently affected the popularity of PPIs. With the rollout of UPI and the imposition of strict obligations to ensure KYC compliance in 2017, PPIs witnessed a loss of appeal in providing wallet services. The customer base began migrating towards the use of UPI, which provided zero-cost transfers directly from bank accounts, bypassing the service fee which was charged on such transactions by PPIs. Secondly, the RBI proposed to gradually allow the payment system operators to obtain direct membership in the central payment system. This would enable them to additionally transact through real-time gross settlement and national electronic funds transfer without the interference of traditional banks. Beneficiaries would not only include issuers of payment wallets but also other platforms regulated by the RBI, such as walled garden payment options, white label ATM operators, card networks, and the trade receivable discounting system. Thirdly, while operating these systems, payment banks will be allowed to settle accounts with a maximum balance of 2 lakh rupees at the end of the day, as opposed to the previous 1 lakh rupees per customer. Lastly, the RBI also expressed plans to enable users of non-bank PPIs, which are fully subject to know your customer requirements, to withdraw cash from any ATMs in operation. This comes as a concerted effort with mandating interoperability, mimicking the results of the same for offline transactions as well. As a result, PPI holders are more likely to engage in digitalized transactions and less likely to operate with cash. This increase, coupled with escalated online transfers, also provides non-banking entities with the opportunity to complete their KYC conformity in addition to the mandate of interoperability. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Nepal becomes the first country to deploy India's UPI payment system. NPCI International Payments Limited, the international arm of National Payments Corporation of India, has joined hands with payment system operator Gateway Payment Service and Manam Infotech to deploy unified payments interface in Nepal in a bid to support interoperable real-time person-to-person and merchant payment transaction in the country. The NIPL has also said that Nepal has now become the first country outside of India to adopt real-time UPI payments. Trickbot attacks 60 customers of eminent companies. Trickbot released attacks targeting customers of various top companies with the aim of obtaining sensitive information including credentials. Trickbot targets companies like cryptocurrency firms, technology companies in the US mainly, including Amazon, American Express, JP Morgan Chase, Microsoft, Navy Federal Credit Union, RBC, PayPal, Yahoo, and many others. The malware is a sophisticated virus that has been improved with anti-analysis features. This first-line malware has more than 20 modules and can be downloaded, executed easily on demand. Nikhil Kamath invests in Omnipresent robot tech. Zoho co-founder Nikhil Kamath, along with Abhijit Pai, has invested in drone startup Omnipresent robot tech through their investment arm Gruhas PropTech. This round also saw co-investments from Kavi Shah and other high net worth individuals. Omnipresent has completed 51-kilometer drone flight for HPCL pipelines and it has also been serving most of the major oil companies in India, including RIL, IOCL, and BPCL. The company has also worked on the prestigious Chandrayaan-2 project, developing perceptions and navigation software for the Chandrayaan-2 rover. ICRC claims state hackers used Zoho bug for breaching their network. The International Committee of the Red Cross said that the hack disclosed last month against its servers was a targeted attack likely coordinated by a state-backed hacking group. The attackers gained access to the personal information like names, locations, and contact information of over 5,15,000 people in the Restore and Family Links program that helps reunite families separated by war, disaster, and migration. The targeted nature of the attack made evident by the attackers' use of code designed purely for execution on the targeted ICRC servers and using the targeted server's MAC address. AWS to expand its AWS Local Zones. Amazon Web Services announced the completion of its first 16 AWS Local Zones in the US and plans to launch new AWS Local Zones in 32 new metropolitan areas in 26 countries around the world. AWS Local Zones allow customers to use core AWS services locally while seamlessly connecting to the rest of their workloads running in AWS regions with the same elasticity, pay-as-you-go model, application programming interfaces and tool sets, along with providing compute, storage, database and other AWS services at the edge of the cloud near large population, industry and information technology centers. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.